Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new GitHub repository. Now before we start the video, if you haven't created a GitHub account, just go to www.github.com and create an account. When you've created an account, then come back to this video. So we're talking about creating repositories today. Now there are two ways you can create, there are two links you can click here to create repositories. The first one is this new icon here, and then the second one is this plus icon over here. Then you can come down and click new repository. When you've done that, it's going to take you to this web page, and then you can see it's asking you for the name you want to give your repository. So I'm just going to name it tutorial. I'm naming it tutorial, and if you come down, you can decide to put in a description. I've put in a YouTube tutorial, so it's optional. And the next thing to do is when you come down, you can either make it public or private. When it's public, anybody can come to your account and check the repository. But when it's private, only you can see it and only you can work with it. So the next thing to do, if you will now scroll down and see add a readme file. So what a readme file basically is that it's a description of, it's a long description of what your project is about. So when a stranger comes to your GitHub repository, the first thing that he's going to do is he's going to want to check the readme file to see what the project is about before he can now progress to the code. So I'm just going to click add a readme file. Then what git ignore does is that you are telling git to ignore some particular files. So while carrying out its operations, ignore these particular files or folders inside your project. And the next thing is choose a license. Now this basically tells users what they can do and what they can't do with your code. So after doing all that, I'm not going to add a git ignore because this is just a tutorial. After doing that, just click create repository, and when you do that, your repository is going to be automatically created in your dashboard. So when it loads, you are going to see your repository. So after creating the repository, this is how it's going to look like. You can see the repository name here and the short description that we added. Now if you want to add a readme, if you want to add description to your readme.md file, you just come here and click this icon here, and it's going to take you to this whole page, and you can add some description to it. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to clone a repository. That is, you've created a repository in GitHub. Now you want to make it available offline, and I'm going to teach you how to git push and git pull also, so that you can be able to monitor your repository and your codes using Git. So you go to git push, git pull, git commit, git add. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about how to clone a repository. Peace.